Hello students, myself Deepika Prajapati from Computer Department, and today we are going to discuss about network printing concept. So welcome to all of you dear all student in our today's video lecture series. And dear all student, we have already seen about various types of topic regarding network protocols and services. So in a previous video lecture we have already seen about a domain name system as well as a domain namespace, and now in this lecture we are going to discuss about network printing concept. So let's start our new concept for the chapter number 2, network protocols and services. So first, network printing concept. So how to add our printer to a device? So we have to learn first of all the network printing concept for the add printer. So first, network printing concept as the local printer, shared printer and network printer. So there are mainly three types of printer for add printer for the printing concept. So first of all as a local printer, second as a shared printer, and third one as a network printer. So these all three types of printer are the three basic printing configuration. So a software is required to control the printing process, and the printer determines where and when the output should be sent. So here the following steps about add printer to our devices. So here let's start setting up a local print device. So how to install local print device? Use an add print wizard. So first of all you have to search in a command you have to search in our command prompt, as well as we can also say as a searching in a setting. So here printers and other hardware. So તમારે ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ સર્ચમાં જઈને સેટિંગ્સ પર ક્લિક કરવાનું છે, અને જ્યારે પણ તમે સેટિંગ્સ પર ક્લિક કરશો, અધરવાઇઝ સેટિંગમાં ન જવું હોય તો you have to also select control panel. તો તમે control panel ને પણ select કરી શકો છો. So first of all you have to select as a control panel, and whenever you click on a control panel, then in a desktop you have to see this type of pop-up box. તો તમે તમારા ડેસ્કટોપની સ્ક્રીન પર આ પ્રકારનું પોપઅપ બોક્સ શો થઈ શકશે. એમાં તમે જોશો તો પ્રિન્ટર એન્ડ અધર હાર્ડવેર ઓપ્શન આપેલો હશે. સો પ્રિન્ટર એન્ડ હાર્ડવેર પર તમારે ક્લિક કરવાનું છે. દેન એના પછી એડ પ્રિન્ટર પર ક્લિક કરવાનું છે. સો ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ once again step number 1 for the setting up a local print device is that open the control panel and then select printer and other hardware, and then select add a printer. Next, whenever you select on add printer button, then you have to see this type of pop-up box on your Windows screen. So તમે તમારી Windows screen પર આ પ્રકારનું એક pop-up box show થશે જ્યારે પણ તમે add printer પર ક્લિક કરશો. So here see this types of add printer wizard. So તમારે અહીંયા ક્લિક કરવાનું રહેશે local printer attached to this computer. આ ક્યારે છે? જ્યારે તમારે લોકલ પ્રિન્ટરને જ્યારે સેટિંગની અંદર ઇન્સ્ટોલ કરવાનું છે ત્યારે. સો હિયર લોકલ પ્રિન્ટર અટેચ ટુ ધીસ કોમ્પ્યુટર. સો ક્લિક ઓન ધીસ ટાઈપ ઓફ ચેકઅપ બોક્સ ઓટોમેટિકલી ડિટેક્ટ એન્ડ ઇન્સ્ટોલ માય પ્લગ એન્ડ પ્લે પ્રિન્ટર. દેન યુ હેવ ટુ ક્લિક નેક્સ્ટ બટન. So when prompted, select local printer and then press next button. Okay. Next, add printer wizard. So whenever you click on a next button, then second steps here select a printer port. So you have to select printer port, and here my port is LPT1 recommended printer port. So click on this type of port. Use the following port LPT1 recommended printer port. So after selecting this type of port, press next button. So જ્યારે પણ તમે આ રીતનો પોર્ટ સિલેક્ટ કરી દો છો પછી નેક્સ્ટ બટન પર ક્લિક કરો. નેક્સ્ટ. Now select a printer manufacturer in a left pane. તો હવે તમારે લેફ્ટ પેનમાંથી મેન્યુફેક્ચર સિલેક્ટ કરવાનું છે એન્ડ ધેન ઓલ પ્રિન્ટર્સ અવેલેબલ ઓફ દેટ મેન્યુફેક્ચર વિલ ડિસ્પ્લે ઇન રાઇટ પેન. અને એના પછી તમને અહીંયા રાઇટ સાઈડના પેનમાં તમને મેન્યુફેક્ચર ડિસ્પ્લે થશે દરેક પ્રિન્ટરના. So select a printer manufacturer in a left pane and all printers available of that manufacturer will display in a right pane. Select appropriate printer and press next. પછી તમારે કોઈ એક પ્રિન્ટરને સિલેક્ટ કરવાનું છે અને નેક્સ્ટ બટન પર ક્લિક કરવાનું રહેશે. સો સિલેક્ટ appropriate printer and press next. Next, add printer wizard. So give a share name if you want to share this printer, otherwise select do not share this printer and press next button. If you want to share this printer, then you have to click share printer. If do not share this printer, then you have to click do not share this printer and then press next button. So here our printer name. Then do you want to use this printer as a default printer? If you have to use this type of printer as a default, then you have to select yes. If you are not ready for this printer as a default printer, then you have to select no. So and then select as a next button. Then add printer wizard. So here one is a print test page. Do you want to print a test page? If you want to test a page after the connecting printer, then you have to click on this button yes. If you are not ready for test page, then you have to click no button. So here if you want to test a print page, then select yes, otherwise select no and then press next button. Okay, so here whenever your printer is connected to your devices, then here show this type of screen and printer and faxes are available in this type of screen. So તમને આ રીતે સ્ક્રીનમાં તમારું પ્રિન્ટર જો એડ થઈ ગયું હશે તો અહીંયા તમને જે રીતે દેખાય છે એ રીતે તમે જોઈ શકશો. So here now you can see devices and printers window. So now you can see devices and printers window on this type of screen. Next, now to share a print device. So હવે તમારે પ્રિન્ટ ડિવાઇસને શેર કરવું છે તો તમારે આ પ્રકારના સ્ટેપ્સને ફોલો કરવા પડશે. સો ક્લિક ધ સ્ટાર્ટ મેનુ, then select devices and printer. You can also select devices and printer from your control panel. Once again, you can also select devices and printer from your control panel. So first of all, click the start menu, then select devices and printers. Then right click the printers you want to share and then click printer properties. Then click the sharing tab and check the box next to share this printer. Now let's start these types of all steps for the share print device with our performance. So this is our network print devices. So here one is our desktop PC and here one is our configuration all PC and here one is our server with printer. So next, to use SAT printer, follow the steps. So click the start menu, then select devices and printer and then select add printer. So whenever you have to select devices and printer, then you have to click compulsory add printer button. Next, here select add printer using TCP IP address or a host name. So here find a printer by name or TCP IP address, then you have to click on this radio button, add a printer using TCP IP address or host name and then press on next button. Type of printer host name or IP addresses. So here device type is auto detected, then host name or IP address is here and here one is our port name. So this is a by default, this is a specified IP address for the printer host, and whenever you select your device type and query the printer and automatically select the driver to use. Okay, and then click on the next button. Next, Here one, the process is start searching printer in network. If you have to given this type of host name or IP address in your network, then search this type of printer given here based on your IP address. So here one is our device type, the given name, IP address of the device, the host name or IP address, and given the port name. And now contacting printer using network. So here the searching printer in network. Then next, yes, now detecting this TCP/IP port. So detecting the TCP/IP port, and Windows will automatically move to the next page when the detection is done. And next, based on the IP address you provided, it will search printer. Okay. Next, here one is the additional port information required. So the device is not found on the network. Be sure that the device is turned on, the network is connected, the device is properly configured, and the address on previous page is correct. If you think the address is not correct, then click back to return to the previous page and then correct the address and perform other search on network. If you are sure the address is correct, then select the device type this below. So here I choose this type of standard device type as a generic network card. So choose the device type and then click on next button. Then next, select a driver for the printer appropriate to the printer side in network. So here one is a manufacturer in our left pane, and the given all devices of printer as a manufacturer as in a right pane. So install the printer device, you have to select driver for a printer appropriate to the printer side in a network and then click on next button. Here give the name of printer name. So here I have to give this type of printer name as HP 910. So this printer will be installed with HP 910 driver and then click on next button. Okay. Here now my printer is successfully added to my device. So you have to successfully added HP 910 and I want to set as a default printer HP 910. Then we have to click this type of check box. So here set as the default printer. To check if your printer is working properly or to see troubleshooting information for the printer, print test page. If you want to test a print page, then you have to click this type of button, print test page. If you are not ready for the printing test page, then you have to click cancel button. Okay. But here to check if your printer is working properly or not, then see troubleshooting information for a printer, the print test page. Okay. So select print test page and then finish. Here, dear all students, these all questions are very most MP question for G2 exam of our chapter number 2, network protocols and services. So dear all student, this all question is a very most MP question for our university exam having a 3 marks, 4 marks, 2 marks. So first of all, explain address resolution protocol. I have already seen and you all have already seen in our previous video lecture series about address resolution protocol. Next, reverse address resolution protocol. It means RARP protocol. Here one is address resolution protocol. It means ARP protocol. And RARP, it means RARP protocol. Then explain BOOTP protocol, bootstrap protocol. Then next, DHCP architecture. This is a very most MP. DHCP stands for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. Then next, DHCP packet format. Then next, explain domain name system objective is a very most MP concept. And dear student, domain name system objective concept we have already seen in our previous video lecture series. Now explain function of DNS server. Then list and explain top level domain. Then explain country level domain. Then explain name resolver. Then next, explain types of IP address assignment. Then next, write steps to install network printer. Next, here the most MP question for also GTU exam. Here the list any 4 domain name. Then next, explain domain name system objectives. Next, explain domain name resolving. Next, explain steps to set up printer network. Then next, write the advantages and disadvantages of DHCP. Then next, explain various IP addresses scheme in DHCP. Next, explain DNS registration process. Then explain DNS with their hierarchy. Then explain DHCP relay agent. And then next, explain IP address assignment. So this all question is very most MP question of the chapter number 2, network protocol and services. So here your chapter number 2 is finished, and I hope dear all students you all easily understand about these all topics from the chapter number 2, network protocols and services. If anyone have a doubt, then please comment on Google Classroom. Okay, thank you.